Lochani guys, in McDonald's, sikuzikhakhazise ngesikhenu cultural fair ngemva kweSolomon Masango Stadium kwamhlanga showgrounds. I'm with a businesswoman here, a farmer of note. Umangubani?
Zaza over Letsholo, your Mrs. South Africa semi-finalist 2025. I am a farmer, as you said.
Who are your three favorite radio presenters Ikwekwezi of all time?
Yeah, boy.
Busai Matebula.
Yeah.
Ugo Tapiti. No JABU.
Wow. Yes. Who are the two big radio stations in Mpumalanga?
The two radio stations, first Ikwekwezi FM and then Rise FM.
Yeah. Ngubani okhatsha ihlelo sibuya nawe express lane emkhatsheni Ikwekwezi?
Endabeni oh my goodness.
Okay, ngokukedelela isentence nasi. Kukhanya
ba
osemsamo
Imposemnyambo.
Wow.
Samsam, Imposemnia.
What do you call an animal that eats grass only?
That eats grass only?
Yeah.
A cow.
Oh, chim.
Yeah, because you are a farmer, man. That makes sense.
I got it.
A cowboy, ne?
Yeah.
Rides into town on Friday. He stays in town for 3 days and leaves on Friday. How did he do it?
How did he do it?
Yeah.
The cowboy that arrived there, he drove or he ride a horse. I mean, how did he do it? That's how he did it.
Listen to the question.
Listen properly.
A cowboy rides into town on Friday, ne? He stays in town for 3 days.
Yeah.
He rides in on Friday, stays into town for 3 days,
Yeah.
and leaves on Friday.
Yeah.
How did he do it?
How did he do it? He rided there to town. That's how he did it.
As simple as that.
Yes. You said the cowboy rided to town, right?
Yeah.
And he stayed there for 3 days. Yes, he rided.
The question, listen carefully. I'm saying a cowboy rides into town on Friday.
Yeah.
You get it? On Friday.
On Friday.
He stays in town for 3 days and leaves on Friday. How did he do it?
He
He arrives on Friday but
And-
stays 3 days and leaves on Friday. How did he do it?
He stays for 3 days.
Yeah, but arrives on Friday and leave on Friday. But he stayed for 3 days. How
It's
did he do
impossible. It's impossible.
it? What color is the sun?
The sun,
Yeah.
it's yellow.
Jesus, God me, help me.
What is the most dominant gas in the air that we breathe?
The dominant air, it's the air.
Like what is the gas? What do they call the gas?
The gas, no, I don't know. The gas, there's no gas, it's the air.
Ah, la la.
So the air, it doesn't have gases.
No,
It's
it
just
doesn't
pure
have-
air.
Yes, it's pure air.
What makes up the air?
What makes up the air? It's the nature. The nature makes the air.
How many bones does an adult human being have?
It's just one skeleton.
So it would be one bone.
Yes.
Are they?
One bone.
It's no skeleton, so it's one.
One bone.
One bone.
If you call a person from South Africa a South African and a person from Zimbabwe a Zimbabwean, what do you call a person from India?
Indian.
A person from Denmark? Madagascar? Madagascar is Madagascan.
Yes.
Okay.
We have a serious problem.
When you were 10, your little sister was half your age.
Yeah.
Now you are 40. How old is your sister?
So 40. My sister was half my age. Is 20. I'm 40, right? Yeah. So my sister is 20.
Final answer?
20.
According to the Bible, Noah took 2 of each animal on the ark, but how many people did he take with him?
Noah, Nkosi yami.
Make you don't know nothing, man. You know what you are? EP, aka enemy of progress. Now let's.
What is the opposite of the word up?
Down.
Left?
Right.
Tired?
Active.
Sorry?
Back to Limpopo.
What do you call like a group of cows?
A group
Yeah.
of cows.
You're a farmer.
It's cows.
Okay, I'll give it to you. It's a herd of cows.
Oh, a head of cows.
Yes. And what do you call a group of lions?
Lioness.
And what do you call a female lion?
It's a lioness.
And a group of lions?
It's a head of lions.
What's happening? Huh?
How many senses does a human being have?
Senses.
Yes.
Just one sense.
A sense of what?
Sense of humor.
That's a good one. That's a good one. How many seconds are there in 1 hour, do you think?
60 seconds.
If you are traveling to a destination that's 80 kilometers away from you, and you drive at 80 kilometers per hour, how long will it take you to get there?
It's gonna take me an hour.
Sifumane usemkhanyweni wobumnandi ilwazi ifundo zemidlalo nendaba Ikwekwezi FM kukhanya ba